How to recover WhatsApp messages without backup. So if you want to recover your WhatsApp messages without backup, then here are some steps. So you can simply go with restore chat history on your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can go with Android, iOS, or web, whichever you're using. So in my case, I'm using Android. So to restore your chats or chat history, you just need to simply open up your Drive app and sign into your Google account. And then you need to go with menu and then go with backups. And if you're saving WhatsApp backups to your Google account, they will appear in the list. And to restore your chat history from your Google account backup, you just need to simply uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp application. Once you uninstall, again install it from your Play Store and tap on Restore when prompted. Tap Skip to reinstall without restoring your backup. And for additional security, you may be prompted to verify your identity to restore your chats. You can do this by receiving a code by text or a call if you haven't enabled two-step verification or end-to-end encrypted backups. So this is the only way you can restore your chat history or your WhatsApp messages, because without this you don't have any other option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.